Yes mga idol, welcome back sa aking channel, Bainat TV. Hops, teka lang mga idol, shoutout muna natin si Nelson Pahanostan ng Malanday at Vince Adventure ng La Union at si Miko TV. Sorry mga idol, umiral na naman ang magic ng aking mga kamay. Nakagawa na naman tayo ng karumal-dumal na kagandahan na sobrang ganda ng outcome mga idol.
You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Di ko na kasalanan to. Kasalanan to ng hair protein. Isa pang achievement mga idol, kulot. Abangan nyo ang pagmamagic natin. Ayan mga kabuti, before i-apply natin ng hair protein. So, abangan natin ha. Alright!
I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know.
Mga kagunting, ito na po ang resulta ng hair protein. Talagang sobrang ganda at super natural ang outcome mga kagunting. Kaya naman, dito na ako.
Sana all.
Yes mga idol, meron na naman tayong natuklasan ngayon na bagong style ng gupit. At ito ay modified cut na pinauso ni Bainat TV. Sundan nyo lang ako mga idol. Panoorin natin. Hops, tika lang, baka hindi ka pa nakapalo sa akin. Ay follow mo muna ako para updated ka sa aking mga bagong style. Alright. Modified cut. Simulan na natin ang kwento. Ay, gupit pala. Ayan, gumamit tayo ng sectioning at nag-start tayo sa likod. Ito na nga, kailangan nating gamitan ng malupitang technique.
What thirst is, I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness. But I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act.
Alright!
Sana all.
At dito tayo sa part ng bangs mga idol. Ayan, gumamit tayo ng blade. So, minikos-mikos lang natin sa blade. At para makapag-create tayo ng maayos na bangs. Ayan. Request po ng client ang modified cut. Ayan, dito na nagtatapos mga idol. Salamat po and subscribe. Shout out sa Casimero family. Gusto daw niyo matry dito. So nagtanong kung kaya ko daw ang ipapagawa niya. Nag-request siya ng soy cut.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential.
Pwede mo din yung buhok natin, ano? Ha? Ako sa kanya. Sarap eh. Pwede naman. Oo. Yan mo yung buhok natin, ano, hindi na sa pagkano, di ba? Pwede yan. Oo. Ganda, di ba? Sa kabila. O, sa kabila, pwede yan. Kabilaan yan. Yun sinasabi ko sa'yo, pre. Oo, kabilaan. Yun yung... Parehas tayo ng bukay, manipis lang din sa'yo eh.
Sa appliances, auto-reverse. Ayan guys, ilabas nyo ang mga hairstylist ni Pabling. Yung Pabling.
Wala yan. Oo, pare. Lecturein mo, no? Lecturein mo siya.
Hindi ka kaya araw na, ano, ginagawa ko, may papakulot.
Mamaya, hindi ko napapakita sa kanya yung, ano, yung talent P, ha? Mamaya, kasi sisikreto ko na lang. Guys, very good. Good job.
Yung Pabling ngayon, wala yan.
Yan yung gupit ng
Yan ang mga gupit.
soy-soy.
Oh. Alright, so salamat po.
Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yes! Nag-create tayo ng color Brazilian treatment and highlights.
Joke lang po. Pero masaya kasi nakaka-discount. Kuya, nakakain ako buhok talaga. Nakakain ako buhok.
Ang bangs, bawasan natin.
Opo.
Yeah. Ay, ano yan? Ganun ganito.
Uy, kupal ka ba?
Nagpaskilay, kuya.
Ano ko, bunot?
Oo. Nigel, bunot.
Bunot na nga ako dati.
Nigel, gusto mo akong Nigel?
Di ako
Marunong
marunong
dito.
Gagawin ko.
Nigel, bunot.
Pak. Uy, kuya, maako.
Yun na. Meron ako. Mag-aaral ako.
Wala, kuya, parang Barbie.
70 na lang, di ba? Tapos kumuha pa tayo. 40 na lang. Ano? 50 at 70. Dalawa pa ulit. Sa tingin ko, tuwing may ano, dito lang ako. Dito tayo sa
Ikaw lang ko, Sojo.
saan?
Ayun mo.
Ayun nga, no?
Ang sapatos nga pala, 250 lang yan.
Kala ko papapiliin mo na kami.
Pero original yan, ha? Original yan, tag 2.5 lang.
Ano ba yan, kuya?
Ang
Buns.
Tom Taylor.
Buko, di ko alam. Okay,
Original yan.
Kala ko ano, libre.
Sold out sa mall yan.
Kala ko rin libre kasi pinapapili tayo eh. Happy na ako eh. Tatayo na siya eh.
Magpagabit ka lang, meron ka ng sapatos.
Loke Negosyo. Loke Negosyo.
Kuya, nagpumama ang Barbie.
Ang pwede ka ba?
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain.
Ay!
Ano-ano ang gagawin pag gusto maka-discount?
Subscribe! Kaya kasi nyo pa bago kayo hindi mag-subscribe na kayo.
Gawa mo na kayo sa account bago umano.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Shout out, idol. Ang gupit niya ay butterfly cut from Pontorin Dignay. Shout out.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Talagang kailangan nakalimutan.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around, feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose
May
again.
isa pang idol.
I feel like I'm
Burst Speed Bald Cut version. Ay syempre, gumawa tayo ng highlights. Kung tawagin nila ay balayage highlights. Ayan. So lumabas na tricolor. Shout out kay Idol from Dulalia Village ng Villa Flor.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
Ayan, gumawa tayo ng certain bangs kung tawagin nila. Ito ngayon ang pinapauso ng karamihan.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
Alright, finish line.
Sana all.
That's it.
At syempre, shoutout natin mga taga-Pag-ibig, Lingunan,
I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is